How to create new account in Instagram.
Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. Tap on settings at the top right.
Before we go on, don't miss the bonus at the end of the video. Now let's get back to the tutorial.
Then tap settings. Scroll down to add or switch accounts. Tap add account. Tap create new account. Type in any username that you want, which is available. We're just going to do test. Next. We're going to click on continue and then tap add account.
Do you want to experience the crazy power of AI? Do you want to type in whatever crazy, impossible, unrealistic, otherworldly idea of a painting with 4 different variations for free? Watch out for the link coming up shortly. By the way, this isn't a paid promotion. I just love the tool and want to share it with you. It is basically ChatGPT but for images. Here it is. Go to labs.openai.com, sign in with your email address. You will get 15 free credits per month for free, and 1 credit equals 4 variations. So check it out and type the letter A in the comments if you want bonus tips like this in the future videos, or the letter B if you didn't find it amazing. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Please like, share and subscribe, and watch the other video on the screen for another free bonus. Stay safe, stay blessed, and stay tuned.